Oftentimes when you're working on a presentation, your teacher may add a comment for you to reply to, or you may comment on it for your teacher to respond to. And so in order to do that, you just simply select the text. You can right-click and add a comment here, or you can select the text and select the comment icon in the menu bar. All right, and then the comment tab opens up for you to enter a comment. Now, if you want to address a specific person in your comment, you can enter the plus sign. So let's select some text, enter a comment, and in this space here, you would add a plus sign. You can shift plus sign, and now it will open up your menu and you can select a specific person to send it to. And also, after you've entered your comment, and then you comment on the topic, once you're satisfied with your comment and you would like to archive it, you can simply select Resolve.